walking in this room and you have not killed the cockroaches.
Ah! Where is the cockroach? This small thing and you have shouted, you have scared it so. I'm going to take tissue. You are shouting for everybody to hear that you are shouting.
Cockroaches are walking in this room and you are shouting.
I've made my sound cry. This cockroach.
Go and throw her away. Oh, I'm afraid to her. I want to move to your mammy here, Bibiana. Or Bayina, Elusu. And Bayina, Elusu. Mama, see, come. Oh, this is so come. See, come to me. I yell to see you, Flaba. What
Ghana's strongest. No, the money is coming. The money is coming. Hey. It's coming. I'm seeing it, so shake it for me. Hey. Good morning.
Have you done my breakfast?
Hey, breakfast.
You don't do anything for me.
I'll do it right now when I go.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh. Maybe. I got a call this morning.
What is that?
My mother. She's sick.
NESA, it will be yesterday that you told me your father was sick.
That one is not my fault. I think my village people like somebody doesn't want my good because I don't understand. Yesterday my father was sick. Today my mother is sick. I don't know.
So you know I don't have any money with me right now. You know.
Oh, please.
So how much do you need?
I'll need 3,200 Ghana cedis.
3,200.
But
don't mind me. I'll go to kid in Fufla.
No, Atem, stop that. You how much can you give me?
But 3,200.
Okay. Don't worry. Can you get me? If you can get me 1,500, I will borrow money for myself. Okay. So when you get the money, then you pay me back. So
you will borrow money from yourself.
Yeah.
If I get, then I will pay you back.
Yes. Okay. Hey.
So I be shiki to touch them. Odo anadwe e kwada na ube wa da scorpion. No da ho meba hwanya. Eba hada de menye onda da kwasiakawa na mabo up to now. Hey, na geli mentaso. Ade ndre so papa yale. Me unska. Enne so ma me yale. Enti onche bia ni nua koso be yale o. Onche bia ni nua num nyina so wo be yale. Enti sisia no. Ne papa wu sisia la de chala ne ma mi so bo. I have only $100 that left with me. If I change that money, give you. That's why I don't have any money again.
Everyone idiot.
You have money. You have to come and see the house that we are
Sister. Yeah. What is it?
Please, I want to talk to you.
You can see I'm on the phone, right? I'll come. Wait. You let me call you back. My sister said she wants to talk to me. I'm coming. Okay.
Sister, don't be angry.
I hope it's not Manu.
No, don't worry.
What is it?
You know, I want to discuss something with you, but don't get angry.
I'm listening.
Okay. You know what you are doing in this house is not good. I've seen something going on.
What thing have you been seeing going on?
That's your little boyfriend. You are not supposed to cheat on ATEMUDA. You know he's a good guy.
Is that Oh, who do you think you are? Mimi, Like, do you know the things I have to go through because of you and mommy and daddy? You have the guts to come and say, sister, I want to talk to you, and then that little boy. Who do you think you are?
But I have to tell you the truth.
Now you have grown wings, Abby. You have the audacity to stand in front of me and come and tell me that my boyfriend is little and that I'm cheating on ATEMUDA. Who do you think you are? No.
I want the best for you.
You want the best for me? Yes. Do you know what I go through? To give you money, to give mommy that money, daddy money, everybody money. Only me. Only
but
me.
That guy don't
but
love
what?
You.
That now you've grown wings, Abby.
He's cheating.
Your mouth has come. You go inside and pack your bags. You go inside and pack your. How do you think you get money for school fees? And that boy is cheating on you. You think you know better, madam? Go and do the same thing. Make sure that you give money to mommy and daddy. You are not serious. Enter the house and go and pack your bags out of this house. Have you heard me? Don't sister me. Go inside, madam. Go inside. I don't have your time. Go. You've come off. And this that. What nonsense. Who do you think you are? Do you know the things I have to go through? I've been tolerating all these things, just to be able to make sure that at least I'm okay. Little is okay. You are okay. Mommy is okay. Daddy is okay. Only me. You come and say you are cheating because you have gone to SHS. Nonsense. You leave this house today. Everybody gets that because you can speak small English. So yes, come on. My sister is right. What am I doing? This little, my boyfriend. Like, everybody's talking. So, if ATEMUDA finds out, what will happen? I will give this guy money and money and money and money. I don't even get some. I'm just wasting my life. If ATEMUDA catches me, I don't know what to do. Oh, God, what have I put myself into? God, please take over, because this one, ATEMUDA doesn't deserve this. He has taken care of me. All right, I'll just see what I'll do.
Flabu Suya, Mammy Blood of Faso, and Yan Wing, my dear Hal. A plumbing bring how fracture, and I do 12 for Cobo 1. My eyesight do me walk what I walk road. How fracture I walk road they were. No, but papa, but the man made that I can be sure that I smoke more cooper. How often something woman boobo. But papa, no, our friend, that one. What's kind of a beast?
So why are you doing like that? Why did you walk out like that? It's not nice. You don't do that. I've told you. If there's something, take your time. And you're shouting like that. It's not nice.
Nessa, let me tell you. I don't like the way your children is behaving. If I'm to be honest, how will your children behave like this?
It's not, but what can I do? It's just my son. He's a small boy. He's just 5 years.
Ebefia onye ne onye ochina ebefia ha mo ache. Oba afra kitikiti sabi penyini ye da ho. Afra no nantem. Afra kiti also ya bofra bo so by all day 8 o'clock 7 na afra no da. 12 o'clock oba no ndai. 1 o'clock one day. 4 a.m. ye na bofra no on it onkura. Anytime I want hammer you. If I cross my leg, your children they start crying. If I want put them, it go bite me. How will your children will behave like that?
He can't sleep well. He can't sleep well. He has to be by my side.
Listen to me. I don't want this thing happen again. You see the top there. Just every night, take him, make him go sleep there.
Oh no, Atemuda, please. He has nightmare. He cannot sleep alone. Like, he has nightmares. Anytime he's sleeping alone, he will be dreaming that things are chasing him. He will feel like he has to bite people or attack people. No, it will stop when he's 10 years old.
10 years?
Yes.
So you are telling me that your children have to sleep, retire in the same bed for 10 years? Before.
He has nightmares.
What about nightmare? Nessa, if this thing happen again, you will never like me. If this thing happen again, this is your last.
Is it they're sleeping or they're biting?
No, they're sleeping. More on nantem or yabufraba more nantem. I don't want any problem. Go and get me water. I said, go and get me water.
You like that thing,
I will street girl. I said, "My co for me do a better mention." I make sure kakra nkra. Ala better the oba me say, "Oh, our friend want now." Onya hwe. Me ya me kwata ko bia na friend no da ambulance ni chase mo kwa do. Me ya me kwata kwa na friend yo chase him. Any da free atamadi atunanum. O bo dem aso soja. Nyama mu twin fina nim fasa. Ka free wa wi me benyini nyina. Aba mu asem so ne. Abada, one more cow. Oh, sorry. Me what tell them go go. Aye. Yes. You have good be. Sounds simple na bebe to agunsu me agula. Yedi Mary. Aye. Mogula we see here. Aye.
No. Stop. Hey, please. No. Little, are you okay? I know it's your risky reaction. Relax.
That's why.
My son has to bath. Please, don't open. Even me, as the mother, doesn't allow me.
How we don't open? Just.
No.
But I'm a man. I need to indicate.
I understand, but there's a saying that, a man is a man irrespective of his age. You understand? So he doesn't like that. So I will.
Stop.
No. Please.
That's why you behaving like this.
Please. Oh, you don't understand. I know my son. Let's go. He has to bath. He's gotten some allergic reaction.
Have you finished your food?
You are coming. Oh, little. Let's go.
Hey. I don't want to necessarily. They are flaking to that I won't go. Now me pay me you after the kugara. I don't want to mind. Now what do that will not flaking to that will not tell me. So me chim 7 kwa. Obey today. I want to call. Until abad me where did you my banana that bad. I'm going to quit today. Little. Where is your mom? Since a bad I think a mum and casa. Alright. I forgot I need a motata lenkam de blow. So no, let me go and bring you the dress, and I will wear you nicely and see if it will go fit you, I'm coming with.
Cậu ya đâu quên đi ba nó hôn vậy đi yêu à cậu sang toa ta lên em mà phê mình so mà dress sang đi yêu ấy em em ấy sang đi để cho phê cho sự ngu so Fabra mình đã sao mà mình sẽ đi cho phê cho scama suy nghĩ à
This dress is very nice. The tone was some expensive boutique, the whole Accra here. It fits you nicely. Very nice for children's. Very nice dress. It will fit you, because of the air condition. I don't want you to get some diseases called pneumonia. Do you know pneumonia? These diseases. Pneumonia. Fransa kwa na sobla. Fashion. Smile. You don't want to smile? Nice pictures. Okay. Very nice pictures. Woo! My stepson. Hey, what is wrong with you? Maybe did you ever? When you know tell my daughter tell me that Abashawa, Mama will do me your day there. Abu Masum, you more than one. Is that how you appreciate me? Huh? Get out there.
Me akwalama Joe bumi say Oto atalebra mi akoto Christmas chubi atale abreme maka sempe Christmas chubi atale ache yo krasini na wa beto skamu na unim dressing chubi chubi ani nim dressing na me krampo me ye you kra me ko buteka me to atale funwe abi ganya nye be fata casa me outside. We chat. Bema fonte seu. O bema fiame. O pessoal ne me yereda.
person is secret on you serious. Messi, some man fire now, ka campaign ubogo. Secret me to me that. No, I pass a taps I want to nimo when you know what they call. I have a secret, but so I can't be that kitchen. Eh, Messi, them are fire. Oh, so you have all the security job, no problem. Now I'm watching, maybe remember, my worry. Man, mala, remember how my eye. How that? Hey, how about oh, my flower. I don't know about the criminal. NESA.
See, ATEMUDA, look. ATEMUDA. Look, I'm showing you something.
Oh, don't disturb me.
Why are you acting like that?
Don't disturb me. What you did to me yesterday night.
What did I do?
What did you do? We are sleeping. I want to do that thing. If I touch you, if I touch you, if I touch you, how will you do that?
I've told you that you have to take your time, and you don't understand the human anatomy of a woman. If I was not on my period, like, why not? You have been so nice to me.
Yeah. Every situation you have an exclusion. If your children don't sleep early, you said you have nightmare. Yesterday too, you sleep, period. No. Yeah, if you continue this, remember I take you from nowhere because you are a very nice girl and I want to marry you. That's why I'm a do befiano. Look at the way I treat you. Because of you, even one of my father company is corruption right now.
Yeah, don't be thinking like that. You make me feel like I have like bad motives, but it doesn't work like that. You've helped me, so don't be talking like that. I wouldn't do anything to hurt you.
Then immediately at one year the man no, me drink is what no be the moko sam. It I go drink nimu. Mono me in you to mess my shima. Up to now, mutu na wa shishim. Me jamina ya me brapa papa sana me jamina. Mentasi. And you're my basa, no cocoa do fear hanum. See, I'm not happy. When your man look on. If or continue the Mia, I'll sack you from this house.
You can't talk like that.
No, I mean it.
You can't talk like that.
If you don't stop that thing, I'll sack you from this house.
What have I done?
Why you don't want me to go to road?
What you are doing, you are not even making me trust you. That means so are you with me because you just want to eat me?
Yeah, Benkwe.
Hey, ATEMUDA. Good evening. You're back from work. Why are you looking at me like that? Please, so we're just brushing our teeth. Stop looking at me like that.
But I have not asked you anything. So, you are brushing your teeth and I hear
You know there's this so like me and my son when we're brushing our teeth, you know, we're brushing our teeth and then we're trying to do like karaoke.
Now you tend to sound engineer. You are the one who produced Terminator song, right?
No, we're just trying.
Okay. My father is coming to Ghana. What a mistake. I'm not saying my companies too much green. My father will kill me when he comes to Ghana. NESA. Every day give me money. Every day give me money. Every day give me money. These two companies collapsing. Kasi super metro be sukra. How can it be? See me gonna if you feel say me I don't know what to do right now. Rather mobile. Mobile. father will kill me. My father will kill me. My father will kill me. My brother will come on a witching. Me waste this gun. God. So, men sack one and I mean then next week. I'm confused.
But brother, I'm not okay about something.
What is wrong?
I'm not okay about something.
Like, I don't understand it. So
Yeah, good. You see, that your girlfriend
uh-huh.
and her so-called son,
Little.
This man is your stepson and you're happy.
He's just a kid. Even they come to the house, you have not even speak before.
I've been monitoring them. Anytime I come to this house, I've been monitoring them. Their actions and stuff. He doesn't talk. He doesn't talk though. But I've been monitoring them and then I'm suspecting them. Simple. I'm suspecting them. So shine your eyes. I cry with you.
I don't know what to tell you, but that guy is a child. He's just a kid, so I don't know what you are trying to say. Really?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I'm sure, of course.
Okay.
So you need to suit to it too.
Yeah. I will just look on things so that I will know what I will do.
Okay.
If you get money, like there is no something like you put for my wife, you see, everything is happiness.
Yes.
Baby.
Yes.
I really love you.
I love you too.
You see, when you buy a COBRA or buy a poor Bema so poor, no more drink, everything goes smooth in our lives.
Yes.
You see?
Yes.
Baby, you are so superb.
I know.
You are fantastic.
I know you two are fantastic. Unlike ATEMUDA. I mean, look at the way you service me. Come on, baby.
Because of that stupid boy. That stupid man. You see, you know me, I can go like 5 rounds.
I trust you.
6 rounds, 4 rounds.
I trust you.
But you know our plan.
Yes,
so I don't want to keep on it so that you come and catch us. So I was giving you short time. I don't want to even go closer to that one. Baby, we only need them cry. Like I said, this is my house and your failure. Timmy slow. Baby, please.
Okay.
I don't want you to give yourself to that Shakashuru man.
I will never do that. You can never be compared to him.
You don't know where you're going to go to film. And yes, can I be baby Ponia? Kakwasia Sano. Or not to me, for the Christmas was a hard time the brother said, it's so empty. See, I knew here be more. We are not there. Husband and wife. Bye. Money.
So little as I was saying, you should do all to drink, life is good. ATEMUDA, are you okay? Hey, ATEMUDA. Now why would you put your phone there? Why you forgot it? Later, ATEMUDA wants to stay down. Why would you push my son's head like that? ATEMUDA.
So, who write this script? Who directed this movie that I'm watching right now? Is it busy? Who did it?
It's you!
You You told me that you have seen an ugly man say he wanted to marry you and you bring the plan out.
ATEMUDA, please, it's not like that. It's not
So,
like that.
NESA,
To me.
NESA is your girlfriend, right? And you people are enjoying yourself on my bed. Oh, congratulations. You have done
You
well.
told me that you get ugly man.
So, hey, is that how you are? It's not.
Is it your wife? It's not my wife.
Hey, stand there.
Is it not my wife?
You are not.
Leave me.
No, no, no.
Is it not my wife?
You have done well. It's your wife. I know it's your wife. Hey, come here. I know it's your wife. Eh? You have done well. You have done well.
God, no. God, no. Hey!
I will remember. But you what? When you're going, and you're there about when you move. But when I'm fucking,
Let's
hey, you've been here. Yeah, oh, you, yes, you and this your stupid boyfriend.
It's my son.
I'm
My
going to
boyfriend.
police station to report the case.
Please,
Then I will
please.
kill somebody.
No, it's not
Today.
me. It's not me. It's him.
Shut up. Eh?
My dad is not so I can't breathe.
The time I will go and come back,
Please.
take that your 3 clothes that you bring it
Oh.
out. I'm going to tell
I
the
cook
secret.
for you. Listen,
No.
ATEMUDA, please. Have you seen what you've done? Have you seen what you've done after everything? We've lost everything because of your greediness. Look at you lying on the bed as if you don't even care. I told you, let's be careful. You didn't listen. Now look, now we can even go. We are going to prison. Mimi Jam, Mimi Trebi.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna make me speak tree.
So no, how we need that. Papa now, Mamma, bring ya.
Little, is that what
Obi deɛ na yɛde adwen kɛseɛ ba bɛgye na wakyeɛ wo haw ne sɛ na sɛ abɔ yɛ a wowɔ ɛhyew na ɔno ɔbrɛ nyaeɛ no nso ɔnyɛ dɛ meyɛ short man o nti me advice biara yɛ short ka menyɛ ɔne kɔwale no na gya me si ɔnyɛ saa ka sɛ magyi me ka kɔfa 3 clothes na yɛnkɔ